What?
No way!
Yes way! It's time for News for Kids! News for Kids!
真的假的？
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 原来如此！
原来如此！
你不知道的趣味新鲜事。
ICRT's News for Kids.
Hi, students. Today, we're talking about electric vehicles. 我们今天要讲的是电动交通工具。There are electric bicycles, electric cars, and even electric buses. The world is changing. Now, there is even an electric airplane. 现在有电动脚踏车、电动车、电动巴士，甚至还有电动飞机。No way! That's amazing! A new electric airplane. They are testing the electric airplane in America. This electric airplane is small. It can carry just 11 people. 现在美国在测试电动飞机。这台飞机很小，只能载11个人。And after testing, if everything is safe, some companies will start using small electric airplanes for short trips with only a few people. 经过测试，如果一切安全，有一些公司就会用来进行短程旅行。But in just a few years, electric airplanes will get bigger and stronger. One day, very soon, airplane companies are going to make big electric airplanes. Maybe one day, you'll fly to Europe or America in an electric plane. 也许有一天，我们就可以搭电动飞机去欧洲或美国了。That would be so nice. It would be so quiet, and it would be much, much better for the environment. 它们会很安静，而且对环境也很好。I can hardly believe it, but electric airplanes are here. Soon, maybe every kind of vehicle in the world will use electric power.
Vocabulary.
为了环保，现在很多交通工具都变成电动的。Plane 飞机。
Hey, what's that? Hey, 那是什么？
I can't believe it. It's a plane. 真不敢相信，是一架飞机。Electric 电动的。
Why isn't it making any sounds? 为什么它都没有声音？
I think it's an electric plane. 我想它是电动飞机。
Really? Even my electric bike makes more noise. 真的吗？我的电动脚踏车声音比它还大。
Safe 安全的。Do you think it's safe? 你觉得它安全吗？
My bike is very safe. 我的脚踏车很安全。
No, I mean the plane. 不，我是说飞机。Company 公司。
It should be. 应该安全。The company making the plane would make sure it's safe. 制造那架飞机的公司会确保它是安全的。
Let's read today's vocabulary together. Plane 飞机 Electric 电动的 Safe 安全的 Company 公司
It's quiz time!
Question number 1. What are they testing in America? A. An electric garbage truck. B. An electric airplane. C. An electric monkey. Question number 2. How big is the airplane in the story? A. Small. It can carry 11 people. B. Small. It can only carry 2 people. C. Super big. It can carry 500 people. Question number 3. Electric cars, buses, and airplanes are A. Quiet and good for the environment. B. Noisy and ugly. C. Funny and stinky. The answers are all available on the ICRT website and app.
和 ICRT 与教育部国民及学前教育署学英文，吸收新知识。ICRT 网站和 App 让你随选随听，还有文字稿哦。
This has been News for Kids on ICRT, brought to you by the K-12 Education Administration. Tune in for more every weekday and check out past episodes on the ICRT website and app.